Today we talk about a new topic, divisor, common divisor. So already we know the definition of divisibility. For example, let A and B be any two integer. We say that A is a divisor of B. A divides B. A is a divisor of B, or B is a multiple of A, etc. Isn't it? So A and B are any two integer. We say that A is a divisor of B. It can be written as A divides B. Or in other words, B is a multiple of A. B is a multiple of A for some integer Q. For some integer Q. So for example, 3 divides 21. So 3 divides 21 means 3 is a divisor of A, or 3 is a factor of B, and 21 is a multiple of 3, isn't it? So 21 will be equivalent to 3 into 7. So 3 is a factor. So 7 and 3 are factors. So we have this, isn't it? From this we can define common divisor also. Let A and B are any two integer. Then an integer D is called a common divisor of A and B if D divides A and D divides B. If A and B are any two integer. We have the same examples also. 3 divides 21 and 3 divides 15. So here 3 is a factor of 21 or divisor of 21, or we can call it as 21 as a multiple of 3. Similarly, 3 is a divisor of 15 or factor of 15, or otherwise 15 is a multiple of 3. So how we are going to write here 21 will be equivalent to 3 into 7, 15 will be equivalent to 5 into 3. So here 3 is a common divisor of these two numbers, 21 and 15. 3 is a common divisor of. So remember, so 3 divides 21, 3 divides 15. So 3 is a common divisor. Okay. So from this we can define greatest common divisor. Greatest common divisor means, we remember, suppose we have 21 same things, 15 and 21. So how we are going to find the GCD of greatest common divisor of these two numbers? So first you are going to list out all the factors of 15. All the factors of 15 means 1 into 15, 1 into 15 and 3 into 5, 3 into 5 and 15. So 21, here the 21 will be equivalent to 1 into 21, 3 into 7, 4 is not possible, 5 is also not possible, 4 sevens are 8, and finally we have 21. Here the common divisor is 3. Greatest common divisor is also 3. Okay. So for example, suppose we have 24 and 36. Now you can find the greatest common divisor of these two. First you can write the divisor of 24. 1, 2, 3, 4 times also possible. 6 times, 12 times, 24. Similarly, you can write 36 one time, 1 into 36, 2 into 12, 3 into, okay, 2 na, 1 2s are 18, okay, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12, 36. Among this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, these are 1, 12, up to 12, we have a common divisor of 24 and 36. Among this, which is the greatest one? 12 is the greatest one. Okay. Among these common divisors, 12 is the greatest one. So I can conclude that 12 is the greatest common divisor of 24 and 36. In other words, mathematically, we can define greatest common divisor as, let A and B are non-zero integer. Then an integer D greater than or equal to 1 is called greatest common divisor of A and B. It should satisfy the following conditions. Number 1, D divides A and D divides B. And second condition, for any integer n, if n divides A and n divides B, then n divides D. Here n should be less than or equal to D. Okay. So from this I can conclude that D is the greatest common divisor. So after this we can define a highest common factor or GCD, all are one and the same. We can define one property among the greatest common divisor. If greatest common divisor of A comma B is equal to 1, then A and B are said to be relatively prime. Relatively prime, or we can call it as relatively prime, or we can call it as co-prime. So co-prime, for example, we have 3, 7, 11 are pairwise relatively prime. Pairwise relatively prime means greatest common divisor of 3, 7 equal to 1. Greatest common divisor of 7, 11 is equal to 1. Greatest common divisor of 3, 11 is also 1. Okay. Now, what do you mean by co-prime? For example, 2, 9, 10 are not pairwise prime numbers because greatest common divisor of 2, 9 is 1. Okay, greatest common divisor of 9, 10 is also 1. Greatest common divisor of 2, 10 is not equal to 1. It is 2. It is not equal to 1. Therefore, 2, 9, 10 are not pairwise prime.